Hey guys, it is Shirley and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. Today is week 2 of our weekly check-in. Now these dates go from the 10th through the 16th. Now before we get started, make sure you go and subscribe down below. Let me know if you do any budgeting on your channel or if you do grocery hauls or meal planning, cooking, anything like that. I absolutely love it. I'm just going to turn y'all up just a little bit to brighten it because it's a little dark because it's actually raining right now. But this week was a lot of stuff going on. My friend got married, so I was in her wedding. We did some stuff, and then we just went mostly grocery shopping. I did a little bit of Christmas shopping that I will get into later. But we are going to be using the Erin Condren, the 8.5 by 11, as I always do. I really need to get a new planner because that is running out because I only have 2 more months before this planner is completely done. Also, I am using the budget stickers by Simply Cami. Now, if you do not know who she is, she's absolutely wonderful. Her stuff will be down below. All right, starting off, I am going to zoom y'all in just a little bit. Let me know if you like it zoomed in so y'all can see better. I personally like stuff zoomed in because I wear glasses. I can't really see anyways. So that is how I like it. All right, so on the 10th, I got gas. So that is going to be green, and I have my little cheat sheet right here. So gas is $20. And this was the rehearsal day. So we had stuff going on there. We had a luncheon, a bridal luncheon for the bridesmaids. So my friend forgot to get champagne glasses, so I had to go to Party City. So I got it out of the sinking fund, which is purple. And I actually used my sinking funds again, so I'm actually not going to write this down yet because I only have 1 sticker. I thought I had another sheet, but I don't, so I have to order some this week. But I'm just going to let y'all know, and then we're going to put it on later. The wedding glasses was $34 at Party City, and that came out of the wedding occasion or special occasion envelope. All right, on the 11th was the wedding day, and then we had to be there at 8, I think. No, 9 in the morning to get our hair done, makeup, photos, and everything else, and the wedding wasn't until 6. So I really needed some coffee that day. So we stopped by Starbucks me and my friend that's in the wedding, we stopped by Starbucks. So I used my out to eat fund, and I'm going to say Starbucks, and I used $5. And that is everything that we spent on the 11th. On the 12th, moving on, it was Pokemon Day. So community day, it was from 11 to 2. We hung out with my fiance and his sister, 2 sisters. So we walked around the mall. That's what we usually do on Pokemon Day. And it's a must to go and get coffee again. So we used the out to eat because I was struggling from the wedding, because the wedding, I think we got home at like 11:30, maybe 12. I didn't go to sleep till maybe like 1. So really needed some coffee, and that was $8. And I bought some coffee for his sister. So that's what we did. She had a $5 gift card, so she got a drink, my fiance got a drink, and then I got a drink, and then she used her $5, and then I just paid the rest, which was $8. And then grocery shopping, went to Walmart, was $22. All right, and that is everything from the 10th through the 12th. So we got gas, coffee, and groceries. All right, on Sunday, we went grocery shopping again. I only needed a couple of things, so I only spent $3. I got some noodles that we needed, and I got some sleeping medicine because, well, Zeke will, because I can't sleep at night, you guys. Like, I really can't. And my doctor doesn't want to do anything about it right now. Like, if the sleeping medicine, if the over-the-counter drugs helping, then just do that. So that's what I've been doing. I don't have to take it all the time. I usually take maybe once a week, sometimes twice a week. All right, and then Monday was a no spend for us because I was at work from 7 to 7. The 15th, I was off that day, and we had the fresh market, so you will see that in the What's for Dinner on next Monday on the 21st. But we did the fresh market meal deal, so that was groceries again. I bought a lot of groceries, you guys. Fresh market, it was at $20. All right, and then that is all. Now on the 16th, I am filming this on the 16th so I can upload it on Thursday. So on the 16th, I went to Walmart. I did some layaway. So this is where the purple one is going to come into handy. So layaway, he won't watch it, but my stepdad wanted a new microwave for Christmas. So I layawayed that. And then I layawayed something for my fiance that he does not know. So that came out to be like $134, but it's layaway, so all I had to pay was like a down payment, I guess you can say, and it was $24. So I took that out of the sinking fund. So I'm going to add the layaway, which was $24, and then I'm going to add the wedding glass, and that will be $34 plus $24. So that'll be $58 that we used, and I'm going to say Christmas / wedding. All right, and then we are going to add that, which this is the last one. So I need to buy more next week or this week when I get paid. All right, so you guys, that is it. We spent some money this week, pretty much just one thing every day. So I'm not going to recap the 10th through the 12th, but on the 13th we had groceries, no spend, groceries again, and then extra, or Christmas and wedding. I messed that wrong. Xmas. So that was $58. All right, so we are going to flip to the check-in now. All right, you guys, so for the check-in, we're going to get the blue envelope, all of that, get that settled. I have my cheat sheet so I don't have to flip back and forth. All right, so groceries, we did $22, $3.20. So that was $45 that we spent. We had $45 left, so our balance is $0. Gas, we spent $20. And then we had $40 left, so that is $20. Fun money, we had $27 left. Now, where did fun money go? So we did not spend anything on fun money, so we should have $20 left. Out to eat was $13. We had $13 left, and then we spent $13. So that was $0 for the balance. Cushion, I did not spend anything, so we have $12 left. And then sinking funds, we spent $58, which our total was, don't think I did a total. Let's see. I didn't do a total, so let's see. $754. minus 58 will equals to $696. All right, you guys, so that is that, and we are going to jump over and check our, let me get situated, we can check our envelopes. All right, you guys, so groceries, we would have $0. And we have $0. We have some receipts and my Sam's card and my discount card. Gas, we should have $20. $20. Fun money, we should have $27. 5, 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. Out to eat, should have $0, which I only have coupons. I need to move that out of the way. All right, you guys, so that is it. That is our weekly check-in for week 2. Let me know down below if you are liking these videos, and I hope you are having a great week. Make sure you subscribe, and I will see you guys when we are stuffing our cash envelopes and our sinking funds. Bye, you guys.